Welcome to Time Traveler's Coin Exchange. The next coin we're going to take a look at is a 2014 D Presidential Dollar. This one is a business strike dollar from the Denver Mint. It has been graded by PCGS and they graded it mint state 67. The coin is in position B and it features President Herbert Hoover. This coin is going to go up for sale on my eBay store. I put a link in the description below the video. It'll take you to this exact coin on eBay. Once there, you can also find over 4,600 PCGS graded coins for sale. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you all in the future.